Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, let us start. See, this can be written 1 upon 2a, 2 into 3 log mod 3 plus x upon 3 minus x. So 1 upon 6 log mod 3 plus x by 3 minus x plus constant of integration. So this third option is the right option. 60.
Sir, one show please. Sir, one show.
If integral of,
Sir, one show 15.
I will show you, don't worry. Dx plus x square plus 2x plus 2 equals to f of x plus c. Then f of x equals to first option tan inverse of x plus 1, second one 2 times tan inverse of x plus 1, third one negative tan inverse of x plus 1, fourth one 3 times of tan inverse of x plus 1. If you say yes, then I will move to the 60th problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, let us move to this question. Basically, this question is in the form of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, 1 upon quadratic polynomial. So when it's a quadratic polynomial, we need to check whether it has factors or not. Factors are irreducible, no factors. Factors means we need to find out factors that will be in the form of x plus alpha into x plus beta. Then partial fraction method. No factors means this should be put in the form of x plus r minus a whole square plus or minus b square form we need to put. So now this x square plus 2x plus 1, 2x plus 2, this is b square minus 4ac, find out d value. B square minus 4ac means you will be getting negative value. So it has no real factors. So that's why it comes under no factors. So that's why what we need to do means this can be simply, you can write x square plus 2x plus 1. I will split it 2 as 1 plus 1. See, up to this one is nothing but perfect square. We can write x plus 1 whole square. So plus 1. Now let us part to our integral part. 1 upon 1 plus x plus 1 whole square dx. It is just like our standard result, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus constant of integration. In the place of x, x plus 1 we have. So that is tan inverse of x plus 1 We need to check once again x plus 1 derivative also. 1 you need not write, plus constant of integration. This x square plus 2x plus 1, I have written x plus 1 whole square plus 1 using this formula. So we are asked f of x. If you compare f of x, actually what does it become? F of x equals to tan inverse of x plus 1. Hmm. Shall I move to next question?
No, sir. Okay, sir.
61. Integral 1 upon 9x square plus 16 dx. First option tan inverse 3x upon 4 plus c. Second is 1 by 12 times tan inverse 3x upon 4 plus c. Third one 1 by 2 upon tan inverse 3x upon 4 plus c. Fourth option 1 by 4 upon tan inverse 3x upon 4 plus constant of integration. We try this question. See this one, this 9x square plus 16, so can be written as 3x whole square plus 4 square. So this is in the form of 1 upon a square plus x square integral dx. This is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. But in the place of x, we have 3x. Here generally 3x by 4 you will get it. But 3x derivative is also 3. Already besides 1 by 3, 1 by a into 1 by 3 also we need to write. Otherwise I will give one more formula also. For example, like this is there. A square plus b square x square dx. This is equal to 1 by a into 1 by b, bx derivative. Tan inverse bx by a plus constant of integration. So now as far as this question is concerned now, I equals to integral of 1 upon, this will be this will be written 4 square plus 3x whole square dx. So this is in the form of this formula. Or even you can apply this formula. So this is 1 by a. 1 by a means this is first 4 into 1 upon b. b is 3x coefficient 3. So tan inverse of, in the place of x we have 3x, in the place of a 4. So 1 by 12 tan inverse 3x upon 4 plus constant of integration. (62) Integral sin x upon root over 3 plus sin square x, 3 plus sin square x Revati. Dx. First option, sin inverse of cos x by 2 plus c. Second one, half times sin inverse of cos x by 2 plus c. Third option, minus half times sin inverse of cos x by 2 plus c. Fourth option, minus sin inverse of cos x by 2 plus c. Because numerator sin x is the derivative of cos x, obviously answer will be in terms of cos only. That means we need to change the sin square x in terms of cos. This root over 3 plus sin square x.
Sir, what's your problem number 61, sir?
Once
Problem number 61, sir.
previous page.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. 3 plus this sin square x, we can write 1 minus cos square x. This is root of 4 minus cos square x. Let us say t is equal to cos x. dt by dx is equal to minus sin x. So minus sin x dx. Now this can be written minus integral 1 upon under root of 4 minus cos square x into minus sin x dx. This is minus integral of 1 upon root of 4 can be written 2 square. This is t square dt. This is 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. So that is sine inverse x. X means t by 2. So this is a negative sine inverse of t stands for cos x. So cos x upon 2 plus constant of integration. Even root is not necessary. You can substitute here. You can substitute. (63) integral root of x square plus 4 dx. First one, x root of x square plus 4 upon 2 plus 2 sin h inverse x upon 2 plus constant of integration. Second, x root of x square plus 4 upon 2 plus 2 sin h inverse x upon 4 plus c. Third one, x root of x square plus 4 upon 2 negative 2 sin h inverse x upon 2 plus c. Fourth, x root of x square plus 4 upon 2 plus 2 sin h inverse x upon 4 plus c. This is standard result. Root of a square plus x square dx. Formula x root of a square plus x square upon 2 plus a square by 2 sin h inverse sin h inverse sin h inverse x by a plus constant of integration. Here a means 2. Directly you can write the answer. It's very good. Option 1. Good. Correct. I equals to integral under root of 4 can be written 2 square plus x square dx. So this is in the form of this formula. Using this formula, we can write x times root of 2 square plus x square, that is nothing but x square plus 4 upon 2 plus a square. A square means 2 square, 4 by 2 sin h inverse x. X means x by 2 x root of x square plus 4 upon 2. 4 by 2 is 2 sin h inverse x by 2 plus constant of integration. First option is the right option.
Sir, I have a problem. One problem doubts. Please can you solve that?
Okay, now I will. Can you write on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Write down. Understood, understood. Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x.
Yes, sir.
Right.
One more.
Rub it out. Right, I got it. See, it's a doubt. Integral sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, dx. The one more question may be there. That is tan x, tan 2x, sorry, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x also. See, first, this is the product of the three functions. The product of the three functions should be expressed as the sum or difference of the two or more functions. So first let me write this one. Sin x, this is sin 2x into sin 3x. This multiply with 2, divide by 2. So we get like this, 1 by 2 times 2 sin 2x sin x into sin 3x right down. So my dear students, you remember we have one formula from transformations, 2 sin A sin B. That is cos of A minus B
Plus cos of A plus B.
minus cos of A plus B. If both are causes, then you get plus. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. So this formula we need to recall. So using this can be written half times. This is cos of A minus B. 2x minus x is cos x minus cos of A plus B. Cos 3x multiplied with sin 3x. Open the bracket. Half times we have sin 3x cos x minus cos x cos 3x into sin 3x. Again multiply to divide by 2. So this we can write 1 by 4 times 2 sin 3x cos x minus 2 cos 3x sin 3x. Again here we need to use two different formulae. So one formula is 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. And one more formula, 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. So now this can be written. Now this can be written. See, this can be written 1 by 4 times sin A plus B, 3x plus x sin 4x plus sin A minus B, 3x minus x sin 2x minus this is sin 2A. A means 3x. This is sin 6x. Completed. So that means this is expressed as now solution I equals to integral of this 1 by 4 common sin 4x plus sin 2x minus sin 6x dx. Now we need to integrate separately. 1 by 4 into, I am writing directly integral of sin 4x, that is negative cos 4x upon 4 minus this is negative cos 2x upon 2. This is negative negative positive cos 6x upon 6. So multiply 1 by 4 into cos 6x by 4, that is 1 by 24 cos 6x. So next minus 1 by 16 cos 4x minus 1 by 8 cos 2x plus constant of integration. Rohan Karthik,
Sir,
are you there?
yes, sir.
From which book have you collected this one?
From intermediate textbooks.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. You can ask
Sir,
a
once
doubt.
can you scroll up? Another problem also I have a doubt, sir. But once can you scroll up, sir?
Oh, have you noted this question first? Have you noted? Otherwise, take the screenshot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
One
Nana,
more problem doubt, sir.
ask Nana. Ask your doubts. Any changes are there in your timetable? Any changes, or it will be continued? The same session.
11:20 onwards, no classes, sir.
Okay, okay. That means
Take
your
in
regular
morning
classes.
only.
They don't disturb our classes. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana, I got it. Question. I got it. Sin x by sin of a plus x dx. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Integral sin x by sin of a plus x dx. Correct? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I write this sin x is equal to, without changing identity, sin of a plus x minus a?
Yes, sir.
Now this is say a, capital A. You say this is capital B. Sin of a minus b formula. Expand. Sin a, sin of a plus x, cos b, cos a, minus cos of a plus x, a plus x, into sin b. Sin b means sin a. Write down here. This equals to integral. Instead of this, you can have sin of a plus x cos a minus cos of a plus x sin a upon sin of a plus x dx. This is the LCM, split it. Sin of a plus x, sin of a plus x by this sin of a plus x. Cancel. We have this is integral cos a dx. Cos a is constant. Take common dx minus, here sin a is constant. Take out common. Integral of cos of a plus x upon sin of a plus x dx. So very simple. This is cos a times x, integral of dx. Here the cos of a plus x is the derivative of sin of a plus x. F dash x by f of x, log f of x. So sin a log of mod of sin of a plus x plus constant of integration. That's the answer. So very good. I appreciate you, all of you, because you have even referring the other textbooks also. You refer other textbooks. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, no problem.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. Our question number is
62.
completed. 62. 64. Okay. Integral root of x square minus 25 dx. First one, x upon 2 under root of x square minus 25 minus 25 by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus c. Second one, x by 2 root of x square minus 25 plus 25 by 2 sin h inverse x upon a plus c. Third one, x upon 2 root of x square minus 25 plus 25 upon 2. This cos h inverse x by a plus c. Fourth option, x upon 3 root of x square minus 25. Oh God, already completed. X by 5. Cos h inverse, this is not a, this is 5. Yes, 5 plus c. Yes, good doubt. 5 should be there. So I'll give the formula. Now try to solve yourself. This is one of the standard formulae. Integral x square minus a square dx equals to x root of x square minus a square upon 2. Negative this time. A square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus constant of integration. Option 2 and option 1. Option 2 is not correct. Either option 1 or option 4.
Option 1.
Yes, option 1 is the correct one. Because this we can write root of x square minus 5 square dx. So x under root of x square minus 25 upon 2 minus a square 5 square by 2 cos h inverse x upon 5. This is x root of x square minus 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. This is cos h inverse x upon 5 plus constant of integration. Okay, shall we continue tomorrow?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Right. Any more doubts?
If you have any doubts, we will
You have?
any doubts we will ask you, sir.
Okay. Now you are entered 10th class this year. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everything is okay. Then the examination will be conducted, I think so, this year, public. Hello? చెప్పమ్మా ఇప్పుడే క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది చెప్పమ్మా